This time we are going to make this here crochet edging. You can add a border like this on any crochet. I have a very plain one here in the middle, but you can have any kind of a shawl or a baby blanket or anything at all that needs a border. This first has one row of single crochets and the actual border is just one row, so it's very quick to make. You need to crochet the single crochets and the edging row from the same side, from the right hand side of your project. So let's see how it goes. You first need to make single crochets right round, so it doesn't matter at all what your actual item is, because the same kind of a border can go on it. You simply first crochet the single crochets right round, and you need to make them so that it doesn't stretch. For instance, here it's double crochets going this way, so I have put 3 single crochets into each of these gaps. So 3 single crochets here. But it's important that it doesn't stretch nor pull. So enough single crochets first. I have 1 single crochet here and 1 repeat is 8 stitches here. First you chain 4, a yarn over, skipping 1, 2 and a double crochet into the 3rd stitch. And then we are making a picot on top of this. Chain 3. And I'm inserting the hook at the base of these stitches, put through 2 loops like that there. And yarn over and picot, you just pull straight through like that. There's a picot and the stitch. And another double crochet right to the next stitch. And also a picot on top of that, just the same. Chain 3. Insert the hook into this and that loop at the base of the chain stitches and yarn over and pull straight through. And a 3rd double crochet into this here group of stitches. So it looks like this here now. And we are not making a 3rd picot because otherwise it would be sort of outside them. And then again chain 4, 3, 4, skip 2, 1, 2 and a single crochet into the 3rd one. So that's 1 done. And I'll do it again. Chain 4, yarn over and skip 2, 1, 2, 3, 3rd one, double crochet, chain 3 for the picot, through these 2 loops here and pull the yarn straight through. Another double crochet into the next stitch, no skipping, and a picot, and a 3rd double crochet. Chain 4, skip 2 and a single crochet into the 3rd one. So that was the 2nd one. And now keep going like this until you come to a corner, if you have a corner in whatever you are working on. I'm almost at the corner now. I had calculated it so that the 8 stitches finish just before a corner. the corner is almost the same, only that these 3 stitches go into the same stitch in the middle of the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 4, yarn over, and find the middle stitch in the corner for the first double crochet, and then the picot, chaining 3 again and attaching the picot, and then a double crochet into that same stitch as the first double crochet. Chain 3 and again the picot, and one more double crochet into that same stitch. So it looks like this here, and then we continue normally after the corner. Chain 4, skip 2, 1, 2, and so on. So that's what the corner looks like, and then you just continue the other side exactly the same. So this was the first border, and this can be used on a whole lot of different projects. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can do that now so that you don't miss any of the videos. Okay, bye.